Well, me and my buddy Crosscut are going to show you how to drain a hot water heater. You know, draining these things can be so slow. They can take an hour or more, depending on how much sediment's in the bottom. Now, if this thing's got a leak and you don't have a pan under it, well, that wouldn't be advisable. But if it's got a pan under it, at least got to be inside this drain into it'll leak into the pan, and then of course the pan will run it out. It's really a simple process, but I wouldn't run more than 30 pounds of pressure from your compressor to the water heater. 20 pounds is sufficient because it's going to push it out pretty quick. Well, the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to turn it on because we do have it disconnected, and just to show you how fast it's going to leak just on gravity feed. And now here goes 20 pounds of air. You can see the difference. Big difference. It's a good thing Crosscut wasn't sitting up there. Anyway, yeah, I always hook it on the cold side, but I couldn't, the hot side, but I couldn't get it on there. We have a coupling, we have two fittings, and then your air connect. The other side, we just have a cap. This is the side I normally hook it on, the hot side, but I wasn't paying attention today because the other side has a tube that goes all the way to the bottom of the tank, so it was definitely had pressure on the tank and it was pushing it out. The hot side doesn't have a tube, it goes down just a little way, it doesn't go very far at all. But anyway, that's the way you get the water out of a water heater when you're having to sit around and wait for it. Well, that was fun. Alrighty. Well, good luck on your operation if you need to change your water heater and you don't want to sit around for hours.